Uconnect 5. New Durango options. Big game ad. All right now on FCA Replay. FCA unveiled its new Uconnect 5 system, the most advanced Uconnect system ever, offering users greater connectivity, richer content, enhanced personalization, and new features, including built-in Alexa support and the ability to connect two Bluetooth phones simultaneously. The advanced Uconnect 5 architecture will also be scalable across all FCA brands and has processing speeds that are 5 times faster than previous generations. Dodge SRT is giving the 2020 Durango SRT an even more aggressive look with the new factory custom Durango SRT Black and the Redline Stripe custom appearance options. The new 2020 Durango SRT Black appearance package adds midnight gray metallic and gloss black exterior accents with available 20-inch by 10-inch matte vapor wheels. The Redline Stripe option is a full-length satin black center stripe with Redline accent tracers on each edge. Both packages open for dealer orders in March 2020. Keep an eye on the screen during this Sunday's big game telecast to see the debut of a new 60-second commercial from the Jeep brand. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Edward Cardenas.